Hi everyone! I hope you're staying safe and healthy during this time of quarantine. I'm here to announce that I will be doing a free online jazz funk class this Saturday at 3 p.m. Just to have fun and kill the boredom of doing nothing all day, especially because I know you all need a break from TikTok. Me too. This is an open invitation to everyone, dancers and non-dancers of all ages. On this side are my social medias, make sure to follow me. And on this side are clips of me dancing in case you want a preview of what the class will look like. Well, minus the space and the floor because I'm doing it in my backyard. Anyways, I'm mostly active on Instagram to answer any questions or post updates, so I'd recommend going there for any information. That's pretty much all you need to know. I'll be doing an Instagram Q&A and posting the Zoom ID. I can't wait to see you all and dance with you soon. Make sure to post videos of if you do it and tag me, and I'll be posting them on my IG story. See you soon.